Hello everyone and welcome to Module 4. I think it's time to move on. Module 3, we were just doing a group evaluation of the course and the design and elements of it. We will continue that later on in the semester, but for right now, everyone has a list of items that you feel is important to you as a learner from a perspective of your needs as far as an online environment. What we will do later in the semester is to tie together as a group project elements and innovative technology, things that are new that can meet those learner needs according to quality matters and other guidelines for ensuring quality of online instruction. So we will tie that together. Hopefully it wasn't too frustrating to you guys, but I'll clear it up within a virtual conference with everybody. But let's move on to Module 4. And I'm showing this video just to provide you an overview. In Module 4, I've changed the design of how I normally do my courses. As you can see here, here's a different template. It is a PDF file. And what you have to do is download the file instead of viewing it in your browser. So for example, when you click on it, make sure you click on Save Link As, and it's going to save it. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop right now. And as you can see, it's saving, and then you're going to have to open the file using Acrobat Reader. I will provide a link for you inside of Facebook and also inside of Blackboard for the link to getting Adobe Acrobat Reader, but I can show you how to do it right now. Just do a Google search for Acrobat Reader, and it should be one of the top links. You click on it, and here it tells you which kind you want. Always make sure you decline other offers, and you click on Install Now. And I'm using a Mac, so it'll be a little bit differently, but I'm not going to go through the process of installing it. However, it is required to open and view your document, so make sure you download that first. And now I'm going to go to my PDF file that downloaded from Blackboard, and I'm going to say Show in Finder. And I did that so that I can select what tool I want to open it with. So you would go right click on it, go to Open With, and I'm going to open with Adobe Acrobat because that's what I have. But you open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. And why do you have to do that? Why not use Preview? If you use Preview or any browser connections, you will not have the full capacity that's within the document. So everything that you need in the document won't be viewable because the document is interactive. As you can see here, I have the overview for the assignment. And whenever you see this audio icon, that means I've put some form of podcast there for you to listen to. This one I think is like 8 minutes long, 7 minutes long, but it provides an overview for everything for this assignment. Here are the instructional goals and objectives for the assignments. Here's the grading information, including due date. And as I said, this is my normal format that I normally follow. This is the format that we'll use throughout the semester. Assignment instructions, they are detailed from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And here's a sample table that you're going to be creating in your assignment. Also, step 5 is there. Also notice that you see hyperlinks there. If you see the blue screen, as you can see, as I hover over it, it gives a URL to those. Those are hyperlinks. I provided links for you so that you can go to the materials that are necessary. And here's also links to software downloads for right here. So if the software necessary for this assignment is there. Another thing I want you to pay close attention to when you open the file, if you click here on a little attachment icon, paperclip looks like a paperclip. Instead of having you download multiple windows and multiple files, I've included all the files right here for the assignment right there. So here's your readings associated with Module 4. We'll also be providing more information on Facebook for discussion. And also here's a sample software evaluation form. Let me move it over a little bit so you can see it a little bit more clearly. So make sure you click on those. I like to utilize this feature so that you only download one document and have everything that you need. For this assignment that you're doing, I highly recommend that you start off with your Microsoft Word document and go ahead and set it up with sections. For example, the first section is going to be answering question 1. I will go ahead and put my name, class, course information, similar to the design I gave you. Second one, you're going to put question number 2 and these terms so that you can provide definitions for them. Then in the next section, I will go ahead and create the table. This is explained more in the instructions, so I'm not going to do it in this video. But you will have to evaluate these tools here based on utilizing your comparison table, and you're going to compare and contrast those screencasting tools presented in those tutorials, in the videos. Moving forward to the last part, after you've done that part, you also create videos. So you're going to create a series of videos. There are going to be 3 of them. Here are the instructions for what you're going to create and how you're going to create it and what tool you're going to create it with. First one, you're going to use Gene, and you're going to use it to create a tutorial on ScreenR, teaching your fellow online teachers how to use it. Then you're going to use Gene or ScreenR to teach fellow teachers and peers how to narrate a PowerPoint presentation. And then the third one, you're going to use ScreenR to teach your peers how to use Gene. As far as the grading criteria, 2 points it's 5 points each video, broken down for 2 points for content, 2 points for audio quality, and 1 point for presentation. Finally, submitting the document. You have a Word file, but you need to convert it to a PDF. And after you've converted that to a PDF, you're going to submit the assignment via the assignment link found in Teaching and Learning. And I can show you that assignment link shortly, right here. Back to Blackboard. Here's the assignment submission link where you're going to attach that file. But definitely, I need it attached as a PDF. If you have an updated printer, you more than likely go File, Print, and save as a PDF, or some of you already have plugins where you can go to File, Save As, and save as a PDF. But just remember, it's extremely important that you save the PDF. And once again, I said right-click on this link. And as you can see, I didn't right-click on it, but you want to right-click on it, save as, and save it to your computer, and then open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader. That will be the only way you have interactive content. Look forward to a great semester. Look forward to sharing some information and learning from you guys, and I hope you enjoy the new content.